Yeah, so we will take the y terms, y cap terms. Okay, so here we are. So here we have this term for the y cap. So we have plus over here, plus over here, and plus over here. And again we will get some terms to be cancelled out. Ax del x by, ax del x by, yeah. So this will cancel out. Again bz del z ay, bz del z ay, bx del x ay. Okay, so we will remaining with this. Okay, I think there is one more term that has to be cancelled out. The ax del x by, sorry, az del z by, az del z by. Okay, and we left this term to be cancelled out. Ay del y bx, ay del y b. Okay, okay, all the minus term has been cancelled out. Why we are cancelling the minus term? Because in the LHS, where we have LHS, okay, yes, so here in the LHS we don't have any minus term, so minus term must cancel out, right? So what are the terms that we are left with? Again, in the similar way, if you write for the z term, okay, so we will, if we write the z term, let me write it. Yes, so this is the last term. So we have plus over there, yeah, and plus over there, and plus over there. Again we will get some term to be cancelled out. Ax del x bz, ax del x bz, okay, right. Ay del y bz, ay del y bz, right. Bx del z ax, bx del z az, bx del x az, okay, by del y az, b by del y. I think there is something missing. I think this should be not a, this should be b. Okay, let's see where we get this, right? So obviously I think right, so this is the mistake, right? This is the mistake. Instead of this ay, I should have this by, right? Instead of this ay, we should have this by. So this is not the ay, this is gonna be by. Right, and these two terms will cancel out. So we are left with this term, this term, this term, this term, and this term, and this term. So 1 2 2 3 4 5 6 term. And when we look at the LHS, right, so where is the LHS? Yeah, so these terms are nothing. I mean, these 6 term in each of this x, y, x cap, y cap, and z cap vectors, all of these term are nothing but this term that we have already get in the LHS term, right? So we have ax del x bx, so there should be some ax del x bx, ax del x bx, right? We will have this okay, let me just copy it. I will copy it and put it near the our final result so that we can compare it. Okay. Right. So we'll take the red color, ax del x by, right? Okay, so instead of this I should it's better to take this, right, this term. No. Let's take marker. Okay, so this term is there in this okay, where are this? Okay, I think yeah. Okay, let's take this. So this term is there, right? bx del x ax, bx del x ax is there, yeah. Ay del x by, ay del x by, yeah, that is also there. by del x ay, by del x ay, az del x bz, az okay, az del x bz, az del x bz, and then we have by del x ay, by okay, az del x bz. Okay, so this term is cancelled out. What is the term we have left with? Right, so a bz del x az, bz del x az, and by del x ay has already